Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, Studio M has brought us Arabesque. It's slightly modern, it's a little muted, it's go blue colors, which is perfect because we filmed this on Thursday and they play today. I mean, it's just great, right? And Denise made a really cool quilt. She made like a dress quilt that we think would be really cool in this. So we'll probably show you on the Sunday scene. Okay, next, we have some new pattern designers that we're going to carry for you all. This is Heck Yes Sew Company, which is that not just the best name? And we've seen these mocked up in several different color varieties, and they are awesome. And then we have 5 over here by Bre T Quilt Designs. Very cool as well. And we've seen some of these mocked up in lines that we're going to be getting in the future. And we have some ideas for them as well. So 2 new pattern designers for you. We hope you like them because we really like them. Then, of course, we have the Arabesque Precuts, layer cakes, fat quarter bundle, charms. And then we forgot to show you last week. I don't know what we were doing. But this is Chelsea Garden by Moda. Look at those stunning colors. They're gorgeous. And so we have fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charms, the little minis. Okay.
Full line coming soon.
Oh yeah, full line coming soon, sorry. And then also full line coming soon, but we have the pre-cuts right now, are Independence Day by Sweetwater. Here's the layer cakes. We have minis, we have fat quarters, fat eighths, jellies, and charms. We got them all. We got them all. I mean, why not? I mean, America only turns 250 once, right? So line coming soon there as well. That is all the new stuff, but Mom and I will be on the Sunday show, the Fab Stash show on Sunday at 3. If you want to be entered to win one of our 2 giveaways, you need to answer this question and share. And the question is, who do you have winning March Madness? If your answer is not Arizona, you get a demerit. Okay, you don't get a demerit, but this could be our year, guys. So, bear down, go Wildcats, and happy quilting. Bye.